Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Choosing Xero for your small business accounting provides a user-friendly, cloud-based platform built for collaboration and automation. The first step in getting started is the initial setup and onboarding. After selecting a plan and creating your account, you must complete your organization profile, which includes your business's legal name, registration number, and financial year-end date. Crucially, Xero shines with its direct bank feeds. Connecting your business bank and credit card accounts securely allows transactions to flow into Xero automatically, saving immense time on manual data entry. You will also set up your chart of accounts, that is the backbone of your bookkeeping, either by importing an existing one or customizing Xero's default template. A key advantage for growing teams is Xero's feature of unlimited user access on all plans, allowing you to invite your team or external accountant to collaborate on the same real-time data at no extra cost. To master your day-to-day finances, focus on Xero's automated core functions, which include the latest 2025 enhancements for efficiency. When managing sales, you can create and send professional, customized online invoices and streamline cash flow by setting up automated payment reminders for overdue customers. A critical and time-saving process is bank reconciliation, as your transactions automatically import from your bank. Xero's intelligent matching tool suggests codes for expenses and income based on previous entries or rules you set up. For frequently occurring transactions, a simple OK button can reconcile the item with a single click, ensuring your books are current, accurate, and ready for reporting. Furthermore, the Xero mobile app allows for effective expense management on the go, enabling staff to snap photos of recipients, submit claims, and view payslips through the integrated Xero Me feature. Recent updates have also leveraged AI to enhance bill management, automatically creating draft bills when a document is uploaded and flagging potential duplicates. So beyond daily tasks, Xero offers powerful features to help you track performance and scale. The system provides real-time reporting and analytics through its customizable dashboard and comprehensive financial reports such as the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow summary. These tools offer drill down functionality, allowing you to quickly navigate from summary figures to the underlying transactions for deeper insights. For businesses with employees, Xero offers integrated payroll management that is region specific, like in Australia or New Zealand or UK, to simplify pay runs, tax compliance, and superannuation. Finally, Xero's expansive app marketplace is a huge asset, offering seamless integration with over 1,000 third-party applications for specialized needs like advanced inventory, CRM, and e-commerce platforms, allowing the software to truly scale and adapt as your business evolves. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.